So hello guys and welcome back. If it's your first time here, karibu sana, and if you're returning back, thank you so much for your support. Let's remove this one. So you just pull like that. You see this thing is moving, so you just pull and off it comes. Look at that. Look at how gross it is. Look at that, guys. So you find the spring. Look at that. Look at all those dirt and oils. Look at that. And also this one. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. Look at how dirty it was, and I was having a difficult time to clean here. So you just pull this one, it moves, and after pulling, now you pick it like that, and this is what you're going to find. We have this one, and we have the spring, and now we have this one. Look at how dirty it is, guys. Look at that. Oh my god, look at that, guys. Look at that, how dirty it is. So go check your cooker. So guys, today I'll be sharing with you easy steps of how to clean your cooker, and also how to remove your cooker knobs, and also how to remove the glass door. So please watch till the end to learn a thing or two. So to clean the knobs, because they were very greasy, I'm using hot water, then soap, and then I will add vinegar. But I won't clean them right now. I'll let them soak for about 30 minutes. So to clean the oven, I'm also using a mixture of vinegar and water. I will let it soak for 15 minutes. Then later I'm cleaning it using warm water, and I've added vinegar, then some soap inside the water, and I've also added baking soda. So before starting to clean, make sure that the baking soda is mixed completely in the water. Other than using a serviette and a toothpick, I saw the brush works very well. So down below, I'm showing you how you can clean that corner using a towel. That's how I clean it, very simple. So now to remove the glass, look for something that looks like this, the one I'm showing you, and you just press it in and it will open. Just like I'm showing you in the video. So here I'm just showing you the part that always locks the glass. So I've managed to remove the glass, and you can see how stained it is. So I will now wipe down the glass part with the same mixture that I had used to wipe down the oven. Onto the top of the cooker, I'm just using the normal soap and just a scrubber. I'm now rinsing the soap using just a damp towel and clean water. I'm now cleaning the knobs with just a scrubber. We'll now rinse them in clean water and put them on top of a serviette to dry. And here I'm just scrubbing the vinegar mix to shine the door. And the glass is now clean, and I'm showing you how to take it back in the place that I had shown you before. Just before I lock the glass part, I'm going to shine it both sides to make sure that it doesn't have any streaks. And guys, please be very careful when handling the glass. So now I'm putting back the glass locker, and I'm just showing you how it's done. So now you push it in until you hear that lock sound. And we are all done, guys, and now we start on putting back the knobs. So let me show you the last one. So you take your knob and your spring. Then you can see this side is shorter. You can see this side is shorter, and it's the same thing here with the knob. You can see this side is shorter and this side is longer. So whenever you're placing it, you see the shorter side, the shorter side of this one, you match it with the shorter side of the knob. Do you get it, guys? So now let's place it. You place your spring like that. Then you look for the shorter side. Let them be equal. Then you place it like that. It's very simple, guys. Just like that. That's what I mean, like that. Then you go to your cooker, you look for this line, then you put it inside the hole of the knob. You see, guys, like that, and just press it. It's very simple. So now, guys, to test if it's correctly fixed, you have to do like that, and it's not moving, like that, and it's not. This thing is moving perfectly like that. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. So guys, what do you think? Can I sing or I can't? Let me know down below in the comment section if you think I can sing. And this is the after, guys. Let me know if you learned something. And that's all I had in store for you guys. Bye!